In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MindBody Marketing Suite to automate your fitness business. This is an incredibly powerful tool that lets you create and manage marketing campaigns with ease, helping you keep your clients engaged without any hassle. First, you'll want to access your marketing suite. You'll need to log into your MindBody Site Manager. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu and click on Marketing, then Marketing Suite. Here you'll find 4 major sections to work with: campaigns, automations, promotions, and insights. Now, let's focus on setting up automations. These are the backbone of the marketing suite, providing you with the ability to engage with clients seamlessly. Head over to Marketing and select Automations. Click on Create Automation to get started. You have the option to choose from a set template or create your own automation. Define the triggers for these automations by determining when they should be sent out. Examples include when a new client books their first class, if a client hasn't visited in 30 days, or sending a special message on a member's birthday. You can even set up a win-back campaign to automatically send a friendly "We miss you" as email to clients who haven't booked in a while. Once you've set up your automations, it's important to customize the messages. Tailor every message to your brand by adding your logo, studio colors, and maintaining your brand's tone. Use personalization tags to make your messages more engaging. For instance, you can insert a client's first name automatically or refer to their last booked class. Remember, a strong call to action like "book your next session" encourages clients to take the next step. Keep your emails warm and personable. After all, fostering a connection is key. For those looking to automate client journeys further, pre-built templates can greatly simplify the marketing process. Whether you're welcoming new clients, reaching out to lost members, sending birthday greetings, or reminding members about renewals, each automation can work around the clock, ensuring your business remains proactive even when you're not. Now let's support our automation efforts by running promotions. Navigate to Marketing and select Promotions. Here you can create a new campaign, say something like Fall Fitness Challenge, 3 classes for a special price. Decide where the promotion will be visible, be it on your website, app, or via email. Promotions are excellent at attracting new leads, and your automations will help turn these leads into loyal clients. Lastly, don't forget to track your results using Insights. Head to Marketing and then Insights, and this is where you can measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, tracking key metrics like open rates, click rates, and conversions. Identify which automations bring in the most bookings and focus your efforts there. For instance, if your welcome offer automation accounts for 20% of your new clients, you'll know it's worth investing more into. And there you have it. By using the MindBody Marketing Suite effectively, you can ensure your fitness business operates smoothly and efficiently, keeping clients engaged and your marketing efforts optimized.